Hi, welcome student of Standard 9 English Medium. This is video number 3 of unit number 5, the snake and the mirror. So, in first video already we learned the stories and we understand what is the theme of this. Now there are some question answer. So first of all, this pattern is very good. We have to read the comprehension first of all and then answer from this particular paragraph. So let us do this reading comprehension. First, read the following passage and select most appropriate answer from the question for the question given below them. देखो ये फर्स्ट जो पैराग्राफ है वो ऑथर जो है इसका राइटर वो मिरर के सामने बैठता है, अपनी शादी के बारे में सोचता है, बुक्स के बारे में, बराबर, उसके हेयर के बारे में. So let us read this paragraph first. I went back into the room and sat down on the chair. I opened the box beneath the table and took out a book of Materia Medica. I opened it at the table on which stood the lamp and a large mirror. A small comb lay beside the mirror. One feels tempted to look into the mirror when it is near one. जब भी मिरर नज़दीक होता है तो एक चीज़ उसमें देखने का मन होता है हर एक को. I took a look in those days. I was a great admirer of a beauty and I believed in making myself look handsome. I was unmarried and I was a doctor. I felt I had to make my presence felt. I picked up the combs and ran it through my hair and adjusted the parting so it looked straight and neat. Again, I heard that the sound from above. ऊपर से फिर से आवाज आया. Now, question number 1. The table that the writer was sitting at was वो डाइनिंग टेबल था, गेम का टेबल था, बी ड्रेसिंग टेबल था या तो डी राइटिंग टेबल था. तो अरीसा था यानी ऑब्वियसली इट वाज ड्रेसिंग टेबल. नंबर 2. What is the writer by profession? वो राइटर था, पेंटर था, डॉक्टर था या आर्किटेक्ट था. तो सी डॉक्टर था, बराबर. Three, the writer started combing his hair to look more handsome than he was. He looked into the mirror. See, make his presence felt there. All of these three आता है सी, make his presence felt there. Number 4. What was the writer busy doing when he heard the sound from above? जब वो उसको साउंड सुनाई देता है तो वो क्या कर रहा था? A. combing his hair. B. reading his medical book. C. admiring beauty. D. both A and B. तो इसमें आएगा A. combing his hair, है ना. Now, paragraph number 2. I didn't jump, I didn't tremble, I didn't cry out. There was no time to do any such thing. The snake slithered along my shoulder and coiled around my left arm above the elbow. The hood was spread out and its head was hardly 3 or 4 inches from my face. It would not be correct to say merely that I sat there holding my breath. I was turned to stone, but my mind was very active. The door opened into darkness. The room was surrounded by darkness. In the light of the lamp, I sat there like a stone image in the flesh. So, this is the paragraph. Now, here is in Navneet already the answer is also given. So, look it. Question are, what could the writer express when being on finding the snake on his shoulder? तो उसने क्या किया? जंप किया, ट्रेमलिंग किया, क्राई आउट किया, तीनों में से कुछ नहीं किया ना? हाँ? तो इसमें ये पूछता है What could the writer's expression when? तो तीनों एक्सप्रेशन उसके दिमाग में था. कौन सा जंपिंग करने का, क्राइंग आउट करने का और ट्रेमलिंग करने का, तीनों उसके मन में विचार आए थे. नंबर 2, हाउ क्लोज डिड द राइटर फाइंड द स्नेक? How close did the writer find the snake? A. Coiled around his left arm with his head 3 or 4 inches away from his face. C. With his head spread. तो इसमें आएगा आंसर डी, बोथ ए एंड बी. एक तो उसके लेफ्ट आर्म है, उसके ऊपर वो कुंडली मार के चल रहा था. दूसरा उसके नेक और हेड है उससे 3 और 4 इंचीज अवे था. तो ये दोनों आएगा. बराबर. 3. What was the writer's reaction with the snake coiled around his left arm? तो आएगा ए. He said breathlessness. B. The spread of this breathing increased to a great frequency. C. He went towards the door. के D. Both A and B. तो आएगा सिर्फ A. He said breathlessness. 4. What are the words stone image in the flesh used for? The snake looking into the mirror, या तो the writer with the snake coiled around his left arm, जो उसके हाथ पे चल रहा था तब वो पत्थर जैसा स्थिर हो गया था ना. See, the stone image writer was sitting on the front. None of these 3. तो आएगा the writer with the snake. B नंबर आएगा. The writer with the snake coiled around his left arm. Number 3. At my slightest movement, the snake would strike me. Death lurked 4 inches away. Suppose it struck, what was the medicine I had to take? There were no medicine in the room. I was but a poor, foolish, and stupid doctor. I forgot my danger and smiled feebly at myself. वो अपने आप पर हंसने लगा था कि मैं कैसा मूर्ख हूँ, कैसा डॉक्टर हूँ. It seems as if God appreciated that the snake turned its head, it looked into the mirror and saw its reflection. I do not claim that it was the first snake that had ever looked into a mirror, but it was certain that the snake was looking into the mirror. लेकिन ये बात सही थी कि वो अरीसे के अंदर देख रहा था. Was it admiring its own beauty? क्या वो अपनी खूबसूरती बढ़ाना चाहता था? वो देख रहा था. Was it trying to make an important decision about growing a mustache or using eyeshadow or mascara or wearing a vermilion spot on its forehead? अभी ये जो पैराग्राफ है, देर आर सम सर्टेन क्वेश्चन आंसर, सो लेट अस डू इट. The writer would not move even slighted because in that case the snake would strike him. Snake would bite him, क्योंकि वो जरा भी हलता तो स्नेक उसको काट लेता. बी नंबर आएगा. नंबर 2, the writer did not have any medicine in his room because they were all at his in clinic. They had run out. He was a poor doctor, all of these three. वो थी नहीं तो उसके पास, वो सब चली गई थी नहीं. यानी बी, दे हैड रन आउट. नंबर 3, what was the snake doing looking itself into the mirror according to the writer? Admiring its own beauty. A, thinking about growing a mustache. B or C, deciding about using a shadow and mascara. तो ये तीनों बातों बोला था ना, तो आएगा डी, all of these three. What color is vermilion? वर्मिलियन कलर कौन सा है? विव्ड रेड है, रेडिश ऑरेंज है, येलो है, या बहुत तो इसमें आएगा ए एंड डी आएगा, क्योंकि विव्ड रेड भी आता है और रेडिश ऑरेंज ये भी सरीखा ही है, तो ए एंड बी लिखो तो भी चलेगा. Now question number 2. Answer the following question in 3 or 4 lines. Question is, what was the doctor thinking while he was seated before the mirror? वो उसके आगे बैठा था तो क्या सोच रहा था? The doctor thought of various medicine that he had, and if any medicine was good enough to save him if the snake did bite him, he also realized that God had punished him for being so proud and arrogant. है ना, रियलाइज दैट द गॉड हैड पनिश्ड हिम फॉर बीइंग सो प्राउड एंड एरोगेंट. वो बहुत प्राउड ही हो गया होगा, एरोगेंट यानी घमंडी हो गया होगा, तो उसकी सजा मिली, ऐसा वो सोच रहा था. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाई डिड द डॉक्टर रन फ्रॉम हिज हाउस? व्हाई डिड द डॉक्टर रन अवे फ्रॉम टू हिज फ्रेंड्स हाउस? तो उसका आंसर ये है, from writer's arm the snake slithered into his lap, crept into the table, and then moved towards the mirror. The writer got up from the chair quickly, went out through the door into the verandas and leaped into the yard and ran to his friend's house and saved his life. तो क्यों भाग गया? तो इसके लिए भाग गया था वो, अपनी जिंदगी बचाने के लिए. हाँ, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, हाउ डिड द डॉक्टर शो द प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड व्हेन ही एनकाउंटर्ड द स्नेक? द डॉक्टर showed great presence of mind on seeing the snake. He neither jumped nor cried out. He sat on the chair, holding his breath. His body was still, but his mind remained very active. How did the snake change the writer's opinion about himself? The writer was proud of being a doctor. Coming face to face with the snake made him humble. He thought he was only a poor and stupid doctor who should not be proud of his profession. स्नेक के आने से क्या चेंजेस हो गया? पहले वो प्राउड था, एरोगेंट था डॉक्टर, उसको अभिमान था, लेकिन बाद में फेस टू फेस जब स्नेक के साथ उसकी मुलाकात हुई तब वो सोचने लगा कि वो एक खाली पुअर और स्टूपिड डॉक्टर है, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं है. ही शुड नॉट बी प्राउड ऑफ हिज प्रोफेशन. उसको अपने व्यवसाय पे घमंड नहीं करना चाहिए. Question number 5, while looking into the mirror, what important and earth-shaking decision did the doctor make? What were the 2 important decisions taken by the doctor while looking into the mirror? 2 important decisions made by the doctor was that he would shave daily and grow a thin mustache. अभी वो हर रोज़ दाढ़ी करेगा, शेव करेगा और छोटी सी मूंछ भी वो रखेगा. To look more handsome. The earth-shaking decision made by the doctor was that he would always keep an attractive smile on his face. Number 6. What did the doctor do on seeing the snake? डॉक्टर ने जब स्नेक को देखा तो क्या होता है, डॉक्टर सो द स्नेक रिफ्लेक्शन इन द मिरर, ही देन वेंट टू हैव अ क्लोजर लुक, he got up from the chair and ran away from his house. Number 7. What type of woman did the doctor in the story? The snake and the mirror want to get married. To and why? The doctor wanted to get married to a woman who had a plenty of money and good medical practice and who was fat. The reason he gave that the doctor husband ever made some mistake, then tried to run away, she would not be able to run after him and catch him and stop him from escaping. वो ऐसी बीबी चाहता था, जाड़ी बीबी, कि अगर उससे कुछ गलती हो जाए तो भी उसके पीछे भागकर उसको पकड़ न ले, क्योंकि जाड़ी होगी तो फिर वो भाग नहीं पाएगी, ऐसा। 8 number. Why did the author of The Snake and the Mirror fantasize a fat woman as his wife? The author of The Snake and the Mirror fantasized a fat woman as his wife, since she would never be able to catch the doctor for his mistake. She would not be able to run after him, and he would be saved of all kinds of punishment. Thus the doctor fantasized a fat woman as his wife. Number 9. Why did the snake leave the doctor's arm? The snake left the doctor's arm because it saw his reflection in the mirror and was fascinated by it, and so wanted to enjoy its own reflection by having a closer look. उसने हरीसन में अपनी परछाई देखी, उसका एंजॉय करने के लिए वो टेबल के पास गया, इसके लिए उसने डॉक्टर का आम छोड़कर वहाँ गया। What made the doctor utter death alert 4 inches away? The doctor was under the grip of the snake, and its head was hardly 3 or 4 inches from his face. He knew very well that the snake would bite him at the slightest moment. This is what made him utter these words. So we are taking up to this, and in homework write down all the paragraph question answer and this 10 question answer 5 times and do homework. Okay, see you, bye.